festive collection, wedding collection, casuals as well. You look very pretty, ma'am.
Thank you.
Along with jewelry. So we have 23 brands total. This is a very special show, Reflection Curates and the Soulfully. This is their festive celebration. 23 brands છે. Sunday and Monday બે દિવસ માટે 29th and 30th June you can visit 11 to 8 PM નો time છે. So now let's see the brands પાસે શું છે. R9 jewelry and they've got
In real mother of pearl. In something like this in heritage. Real kundans also. Minimal jewelry also. Sets. We have rakis for the season. Then we have loose bracelets, finger rings, something in moti, pearl bracelets. We have only earrings as well. It's all precious and semi-precious stones, and it's all 22 karat micro plating which stays as it is. Chanbalis, oxidized as well.
right. So that is R9 jewelry. New festive અને wedding collection છે from label Anuja Ahmedabad.
Yes.
Any
આપણી પાસે આ ટાઈપના છે સેટ્સ. મેં પહેર્યું એમાં છે. કલર ઓપ્શન્સ પણ છે.
very pretty.
પ્લસ ચણિયા ચોળી પણ છે.
ચણિયા ચોલીમાં ન્યૂ એડિશન I can see. I want to show you everything but મારી પાસે time limit છે. But trust me, this is worth a visit. From label Anuja Ahmedabad. Thank you. If you are a fan of Bandhani, you must be knowing brand Pacheri. Let's start with their Abhas. So
Hi, so we have a 3-piece set and we can customize the colors. We also have in lower range, like what something I'm wearing, we can again customize the colors in them.
So that's
And
in the
then
range
we
of
have our
5,000.
dupattas in Georgette and in Gachi. In Georgette, we can customize the colors and with Mukesh work.
right. So that was Pacheri. Now we have Twinkle Arpita and what do we have? So we've got new launch
Of this festival.
festive collection and with new festive અને wedding collection છે from label Anuja Ahmedabad.
યસ.
Any
આપણી પાસે આ ટાઈપના છે સેટ્સ. મેં પહેર્યું એમાં છે. કલર ઓપ્શન્સ પણ છે.
very pretty.
પ્લસ ચણિયા ચોળી પણ છે.
ચણિયા ચોલીમાં ન્યૂ એડિશન I can see. I want to show you everything but મારી પાસે time limit છે. But trust me, this is worth a visit. From label Anuja Ahmedabad. Thank you. If you are a fan of Bandhani, you must be knowing brand Pacheri. Let's start with their Abhas. So
Hi, so we have a 3-piece set and we can customize the colors. We also have in lower range, like what something I'm wearing, we can again customize the colors in them.
So that's in
And
the
then
range
we
of
have our
5,000.
dupattas in Georgette and in Gachi. In Georgette, we can customize the colors and with Mukesh work.
right. So that was Pacheri. Now we have Twinkle Arpita and what do we have? So we've got new launch
Of this festival.
festive collection and with Bala Jewels. Again, as you know કે contemporary jewelry ઉપર એમની 100% USP I can say કે જેની અંદર they've got a lot many new varieties. પ્રિયંકાએ જે પહેર્યું હતું લાઈવની અંદર that was from Bala Jewels. Ear cuffs છે, they've got bracelet, they've got kadas, rings, earrings, everything covered. Pure ethnic collection પર જોઈતું હોય. So yes, so this is Bala Jewels. અને એની સિવાય when we talk about ethnic no festive collection, so you got honey I made this. Hello.
Hi.
So આ વખતે શું છે?
So I have new collection on Chanderi.
New collection on Chanderi.
Something what I am wearing, I have colors in that.
Right. એમને જે પહેર્યું છે એમાં કલર ઓપ્શન્સ છે.
Something like this,
Right.
shaded and mirror work. And something in applique work.
એપ્લિક ઉપર છે.
So these are all on pure Chanderi.
પ્યોર મલ ચંદેરી ઉપર છે. They
I
got
have
cords
cords
as well.
like this.
Uh-huh.
These are also in Chanderi. Then I have
Mo by Manjari is the brand. રાંચી વર્ક સાથે બ્યુટીફુલ બાંધણી કાફતાન છે. નવું કલેક્શન કહી શકાય. પછી આભા છે વિથ મરોડી વર્ક. પછી બાંધણી સાડીઝ એન્ડ દુપટ્ટાસ છે વિથ હેન્ડવર્ક બહુ પ્રીટી છે એન્ડ અજરકમાં બી છે અને ઘણું બધું છે એક્સપ્લોર કરવા માટે. હું વધારે ડિટેલમાં નહીં જાઉં. They've got patolas too. So yes, it's worth a visit if you are into traditional. Talking about traditional bandhani છે પણ with different touch. So this is Rashmi's creation, starting with their bandhani shirt. Then they've got shirts માં બીજું pastel color and blocks. પછી if you want some kurtas with kachi patches તો એ છે and bandhaniમાં if you want something kurta set so એ પણ છે. So this is Rashmi's creation. Now if we talk about festive collection, then we have label Priyanka Shah. What she is wearing એનામાં બીજા ઓપ્શન છે. પછી અનારકલી સ્ટાઇલ એમને બનાવ્યું છે પ્યોર સિલ્ક ઉપર. They've got casual shirts too.
this is
brand Navya India. We are exhibiting in Reflection Gallery. We have these kind of bandage dresses also. We have these kind of Mukesh Kam also with bandhni.
Mukesh
See
with
this?
bandhni.
Yes, Mukesh. Look at the detailing with the moti and Mukesh Kam. We have these kind of colors also. Then we have these kind of things also. Again a Mukesh Kam. Look at the colors. So do visit us on 29 and 30th June.
So this is Karikala. So we are doing entirely festive this time. Your Rakhi gifts are all sorted. There are shirts where we can also make cords for you if you want, and these are pure mull cords with the pants. These are dyeable. We do provide stitching for you. These are pure basic everyday muslin cords for your office look or everyday look. And then we have the contrast one. These are our premium pieces, and these are the one pieces only, like we don't have more pieces in this. And then there are unstitched mull suits for gifting.
That was Karikala. Heritage and a Polki collection that is on pure silver. This is brand Shades of Silver, not just wedding jewelry. They've got bracelets, they've got kada, they've got pure silver નો લુકમાં આપણને જોઈતું હોય ફ્યુઝન ગમતું હોય મિનિમલથી લઈને થોડું હેવી કલેક્શન સુધી અને ઇવન દુબઈનું કલેક્શન પણ છે ઇટાલિયન કલેક્શન. So yes, so this is something you cannot miss if you have wedding at your home. This is Shades of Silver. Even gifting range માં પણ છે. So once again we are at Reflection Gallery. Under festivities માં વાત કરીએ તો we want to gift something that is healthy as well. So we have got Rashmi's Fudge, Rashi's Fudge, and they've got dates ની varieties. એમાં sugar free option પણ છે, ફજના option છે obviously. They've got gifting pack as well. તમે pre-order આપી શકો for your festivities, and ma'am is here to help you with everything. The brand is Verve, and they've got
We have festivals. This is the vintage set.
festive wear vintage set,
Vintage set.
right?
Kurti pants.
Kurti pant set. That's the collection, and up to 30% off છે આખા collection ઉપર, including Navratri one. It's very pretty. Not just Navratri, wedding માટે તમે style કરી શકો, and especially like that one. Right. So that this is Verve. Navratri થી લઈને casual થી લઈને festive સુધી they've got everything covered. Thank you, ma'am. Now we have Inara. જેમની પાસે German silver થી લઈને પ્યોર લુક લાઇક જ્વેલરી છે, જેની અંદર પોલકી છે, જેની અંદર
આ જડતર ફિનિશિંગ વર્ક છે બધું.
જડતર ફિનિશિંગ છે, રિંગ્સ મને દેખાય
ફ્યુઝન છે. ફ્યુઝનમાં પાયલ છે, બેંગલ્સ છે. આવા સેટ્સ છે નવરાત્રી વેર.
રાઈટ. So that is Inara. બહુ જ બધી વેરાયટીઝ છે to explore in ethnic collection. એની સિવાય the organic citizen has, as the name suggests, everything organic. ઓનલી દુપટ્ટાઝમાં બનારસીમાં they got beautiful options. hand woven છે બધા જ, જેમાં બનારસી છે, જોર્જેટ છે. look at the colors. આ રીતે સિમ્પલ વ્હાઇટ ડ્રેસ ઉપર તમે સ્ટાઇલ કર્યું હોય, it looks very smart, and they got multiple varieties in that for your festive wedding or even Navratri look. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now the brand from Baroda has contemporary jewelry, જેની અંદર I can see rings, I can see earrings. સરસ એવું થોડું આપણને ડિફરન્ટ કલેક્શન જોઈતું હોય, સમથિંગ કન્ટેમ્પરરીમાં that go with
પ્યોર બ્રાસ છે અને બધું જ 22 કેરેટ
22 કેરેટ ગોલ્ડ પ્લેટેડ છે પ્યોર બ્રાસ ઉપર. This is there સ્પેશિયલી રાખી માટે ચાર્મ્સ બ્રેસલેટ બનાવ્યા છે એમને, and ethnic collection too. So this is Tulip by Anita from Baroda. Now the next brand that we have here is this is Verve.
Hi.
And what do we have?
So today we have
So Banarasi
vintage sets.
vintage set. We got labels and pleats. It's not just about festive. આની અંદર તમને casual and smart casuals પણ જોવા મળશે. So let's start with this set. Yes, ma'am. So they got dresses.
Frill dress with a back tie detail. It's a very pretty, simple white dress with lovely gold buttons on the side, and a festive wear satin dress.
Right, and they've got a section જેમાં ઉપર 2100 में you can pick any, and the outfit that she's wearing is also very smart and pretty. So that is labels and pleats. Now moving on to thoda traditional collection. This is Sutra Gatha, and let's start with her dupatta. It's a beautiful bandhani dupatta with cut work and handwork. Yes, ma'am. So tissue sari છે, patola sari and dupattas.
Yes.
Bandhani છે with lagdi patta. Double ikat patola once again.
Sari and dupatta.
Right.
Ajrak dress.
Ajrak dress and shirts too.
સોલવે આની અંદર આજે છે ને અમે ટિકટેક ટુ લાયા છે જે વોટરપ્રૂફ છે
અને સ્પેશિયલી આ રેની સિઝન માટે બહુ જ ચાલુ છે. સ્લાઇડર્સ છે વિચ આર વેરી કમ્ફર્ટેબલ. એમાં સ્મોલ હીલ્સ છે, પછી બ્લોક હીલ્સ છે મોટી. એમાં બધા કલર્સ છે. ફ્લેટ્સ એઝ યુઝ્યુઅલ, એમાં પણ અલગ ડિઝાઇન લાયા છે અમે. અને આ પણ છે ધ ટી બેલ્ટ એન્ડ ધ વી અને વર્કવાળી પણ છે.
Right. So this is Meeti by Tithi.
So we have few pieces in velvet, which you can, and we have few anarkalis.
Anarkalis.
We have few pieces. એમાં 3-piece set છે.
3-piece set છે.
હા, એમાં ઇનર, બોટમ અને ઉપર આવું કેપ છે, એવું કફતાન. અને આ થોડું લૂઝ ફિટ છે, એટલે કોઈ
Kia by Avni has.
We have some semi-formals and lot of formal stuff also. Very nice brunch wear suits with dupatta, cords, which has nice pants. So these are all new pieces what we this also you can